Well, that was a rough fucking night. Yeah, really, really cold. Next time, I'm bringing the extra sleeping bag. You know, as I'm saying next time, no, I'm not going to bother. I love the extremes, I do. That's why I miss being on a bike. But, yeah, it's morning. Oh, God. Yeah, it was horrendous fucking weather all night long. What happened to my extra tarp I put up? Oh, it's still there, okay. Yeah, I'm glad I put the extra tarp on because that way I actually got protection from all the wind and rain. Oh, God. Oh. And it is supposed to piss down again. Yeah, my lattice work did a good job. It stopped it pulled a little bit there, but it didn't pull anywhere else. Oh, God. Oh, more drinkies.